To failover Azure SQL scale-out, start by understanding the concept of Azure SQL Database, which is a fully managed relational database service that allows you to create and manage databases in the cloud. Azure SQL Scale-out, also known as Azure SQL Database Elastic Pool, is a cost-effective solution for a large number of databases with varying and unpredictable usage patterns. Step 1. Plan your failover strategy by identifying the databases that need to be failed over and determining the best approach for your specific use case. Consider the location of your databases and the potential impact of failover on your application. Step 2. Prepare your databases for failover by ensuring they are all part of an elastic pool and that the pool is configured to allow failover. This can be done through the Azure portal or using Azure CLI. Step 3. Initiate the failover process by using the Azure portal or Azure CLI to failover the databases in the elastic pool. This can be done manually or automatically based on predetermined conditions such as database availability or performance metrics. Step 4. Monitor the failover process and verify that the databases have been successfully failed over. This can be done through the Azure portal or using Azure CLI. Best practices for failing over Azure SQL Scale-out include testing your failover strategy before implementing it in production and ensuring that your application is designed to handle failover scenarios. It is also important to monitor your databases and elastic pool performance regularly to ensure that failover is not necessary. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a smooth and successful failover of your Azure SQL Scale-out databases and minimize downtime for your application. Additionally, it is recommended to have a disaster recovery plan in place to handle unexpected outages or data loss. This plan should include regular backups and a process for restoring databases in case of a disaster.